Well, welcome to Rusted and Restored Auto Sales again today. Today we have a really cool 1951 Ford F3 truck. The quick and easy way to always tell if it's a 51 or 52, because they all have the same grille, is the 51 has 3 and the 52 has 2. So there you go. So this is a pretty nice truck. It's got all of its trim and stuff, and it does have a box. The box floor is totally rotted, and so it's been ripped out. The floor isn't too bad, you know, it's a 1951 truck, but overall it's pretty solid. You know, it'll make a good project for somebody. I don't know, I'd probably, with this one, I think I would jack it up and put a 4x4 unit underneath it. But that's just me. What would you do to it? Drop a comment and make sure to leave a like, and because it definitely helps with the algorithm and everything like that. This one, of course, doesn't run, as you can imagine. I haven't even messed with it that much, to be honest. There we go. It does have its original flathead V8, which is all there. Overall, it's a really cool project that'll be probably priced pretty cheap. Maybe drop a comment if you're interested in an old classic too, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.